Dustin here. Just got home from the dealer, and my 2016 IS300 all-wheel drive right side passenger DRL went out a couple of days ago. Started to flicker, and ultimately it got really annoying that only the one side was lit up. So I went ahead and took it to the dealership, and the quote that they gave me was over $900. The lamp assembly has to be replaced, they said. And mind you, it's only a 3.5-4-year-old car. $559 just on part replacement, which is ridiculous. And $309 for labor. What I'm going to try to do is see if we could try to source this myself and show you guys the replacement process and how much it will all cost. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I went ahead and ordered my light through bestcarlight.com. Wasn't an OEM, but we shall see how the quality is. It wasn't willing to spend around $400 for a light, so I took a risk in ordering this, and it looks to me it's pretty legit. Quality looks pretty good, doesn't look cheap, so we shall see after install. Can't wait to put it on. Take care. Okay, it's install day, and let's try to get this light installed. So let's get this hood open. So first thing we got to do is we got to take out all these screws or pegs all the way out. Pretty easy. Supposed to just press it, it pops out. This one too. So fairly easy. It's about 7 or 8 of them. So I'm gonna try to do that. After that's done, we're gonna do the sides. There should be one right here. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out. There's a 10mm hex screw there that you gotta take out. And then underneath, probably about 6 or 7 10mm. So gotta get to work. First things we gotta do is we gotta take off all of these pegs out. I took most of them out already. I'm going to show you how to take them out. It looks like this. There's probably like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's about 10 of them. To take them out, you don't need any tools. You just got to press it in, and then this whole thing pops out, just like that. All right. So once it's out, we got to get these 2 out, this 10mm, this screw out right here. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's get to it. So these things are pretty easy to take out. Just gonna need like a pry bar or maybe even a screwdriver. Just gonna stick it in there, and then it comes right out. Just like that. All you need is a Phillips head on that one and a 10mm right there. We'll get the 10mm out there, and then we got all of those out. There's one more right here in the middle, so we're gonna get that out. All right, so the next thing we got to do is the wheel well. There's 3 fasteners. To remove these, you gotta use a slotted screwdriver, stick it in there, and just put it sideways, and then that will actually unlock it. Like so. Okay. Once that's out, you can actually use your flathead to actually get this out as well too. Alright, so once these are done and that's popped out, there's one more 10 millimeter, which is, you can see it's right there. I'm going to use a 10 millimeter socket wrench and then just get it in here, just like that, and they'll come right out. Alright, so now we're on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. Looks like I'm missing a tab right there. You know, it's pretty inexpensive. You can just get that on eBay. But these, you can see how the guy didn't actually like get that locked. So I'm gonna like unlock that, unlock that, unlock that. Get the 10 mil here as well. All right, so I think that was the easy part. You know, that one's all done. So now we just gotta do underneath. Should be about 6 to 8 10 millimeter sockets underneath, and that's gonna be hard because not a whole lot of space underneath there. So I'm gonna try to jack it up and then see what we do after that. All right, so after jacking the car up, I should have a little bit easier access now underneath, so be able to see all the screws we need. There's one right there, and I think a couple more underneath these holes right here. So let's get to it. Okay, so from this angle, you guys could see we need to remove these, that, and that to get this whole front lip out. So let's get to it. All right, so after all that's done, you can just pull out the bumper pretty easily. To access the DRL, we have to disconnect that connector, undo a couple of screws, one and then two. I think there's one more up on top, and then we'll be able to get that out. All right, so I finally got the new DRL installed. I had a problem about, I don't know, for like 5 minutes. There's little slots here, here, and here, which will actually go into these slots right here. These, and this. So there's a sliver that you got to make sure you push back down so that it will actually fit the slot. And then that will make sure that your DRL light is nice and flush. So now that I got it installed, I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. Looks like it works. We're going to put it right back together. We're going to just do the reverse order. We're going to install the plugs back there, screw the underneath first, the sides, and then the top. So let's get to it. All right, so pretty much done. It's the end result. On thebestcarlight.com. That's the OEM. Pretty hard to tell. So all done. It all took me about an hour and a half to get the bumper taken out, reinstall, and be really extra careful without chipping the paint or anything like that. But total was $159 through bestcarlight.com, and only an hour and a half of my time. So overall, a time well spent, and hope you guys like this video. Talk to you guys soon.